Rough. Get the platinums out of here. Alright, here, let's get them going. It's kind of a waste to put 5 cards in one pack. Is that good enough, guys? You can see everything? Sproles, Charles, Des Bryant, Paxton, Daryl Reeves. And Daryl Reeves again. That's good. Matt Forte, Josh Freeman, Robert Woods, Doug Martin. Cam Newton, Von Miller, Ray Rice, Keenan Allen, Eli Manning. Peyton Manning. If you guys are wondering why the Broncos are left out, it's because that's my favorite team. Geno Smith, Jason Witten. So there's 3 hits in these boxes. Vernon Davis. Yes, if you would like. Do you want all 9 base? Alfred Morris. Or do you want base from certain teams? For 9 teams, I might have to charge you like something for something. Julius Peppers, Ben Roethlisberger, Brandon Whedon, Quentin Patton, Reggie Wine. No hits yet. Adrian Peterson, DeMarco Murray, Kimball Wright, Patterson, Tom Brady. Daniels, Tom Brady, Andy Dalton, Tyler Wilson. Wow. Since it's so late, guys, I probably won't be able to get them out tonight or tomorrow morning, but they will definitely be out Thursday morning. Ryan, Chris Johnson, Arthur Brown, AJ Green. Man, things are bogged, guys. Michael Vick, Omalu, Blackman, and Demarius. His grandma just recently passed away. Ridley, AJ Green, Cutler, Burkhead, Omalu. Alright, this is starting this game. This is starting this game. Russell Wilson, CJ Spiller, Joe Flacco, Robert Woods, numbered to 75. And another Peyton Manning. Yes, there are. It says right here. It says 1 autograph patch relic plus 2 rookie on-card autographs per box. Believe me, I'm kind of worried too. Red Jennings, Steve Smith, Antonio Gates, And still no hits. Okay. I mean, there's 20 packs, but there's like 6 left in there. McCoy, Palmer, Stafford, Trent Williams, Andy Dalton. Okay, this is ridiculous. There are 6 packs left. I mean, half of these have to have a hit. Maybe why this is nobody ever got platinum. Curly, Walker, Andre Johnson, Moda, Michael Vick. Foster, Decker, Green Ellis. Holy crap. Lynch, J.J. Watt, Jr. Okay, this is ridiculous. This can't be possible, right? Okay. Rudolph, Martin, Tyler Eifert, that, Lattimore, and Amendola. Okay. This box lied about 3. Ah, we have one. Oh my god. It's a Keenan Allen awesome patch and autograph. Nice card. Numbered to 99, 89, 99. Oh, hey, we waited for that. We waited for that. Awesome card. Still, it says 3 on the box. And if this isn't 1, that means we only got 1 out of 3. Doesn't make any sense. Harvin, Rogers, Demarius, Jordan Warner, autograph Colts, numbered 71, 150. So we got 2 out of 3 hits in that box. Colts and Chargers. Congrats to Big B on that one. So we were short a hit. Alright, on to the next one. Hopefully this one doesn't lie to us. We got the Charger guy in here. That was an awesome patch. Alright. Start out with this. Starting from the bottom this time. Because I don't like feeling that way the whole time. So I was like, wow. Yeah, we were short an on-card rookie autograph. Roddy White, Danny Amendola, Trent Richardson, Tyler Wilson, Ponder. Peppers, Roethlisberger, Leadon, Wilson, Holmes, Am I going too fast? Or just want me to slow down? Ridley, Green, Cutler, Riddick, Alfred Morris. Oh, we have another Charger. Wow. Manti Te'o, also another awesome patch. And auto. Wow. This one's numbered number 8 out of 125. 2 awesome patches. The other card was a Kenny Garrow. Okay. Marshawn Lynch, J.J. Watt, Calvin Johnson. Looks like we got an auto from the Minnesota Vikings, Zach Line, fullback. Zach Line, fullback. It doesn't seem to be numbered. No. Zach Line, Eagles. Last card was a Jimmy Graham. The last card in every pack is thicker than the rest of them. It's really weird. Darren Sproles, Jamal Charles, Des Bryant, Warner, Ryan. Andrew Luck, Eli Manning, Jimmy Graham, Bernard, Steve Smith. Frank Gore, Richard Wayne, Torrey Smith, Warner, Pettigrew. Steven Jackson, Philip Rivers, Sean Jackson, Aaron that dude, and Ryan Matthews. Got like 10 packs left. Jeez. Larry Fitzgerald, Julio Jones, Clay Matthews. Looks like we got a Bengal, Kobe Hamilton, also autograph. Also not numbered. So we actually got our 3 hits that time. Last card was with Stafford. You guys want me to... Yeah. Who knows, we might get 4 out of this one, make up for the last one. RG3, King next, Wayne Bowe, Bernard, Rudolph. Kaepernick, Phil Davis, Jason Witten, Lattimore, Cully. Anquan Bolden, Tony Romo, David Wilson, Jason Daniels. Crabtree, Marshall, Tannehill, Brown, Ridley. Mike Wallace, Ed Reed, Vincent Jackson, Tavon Austin, Brandon Whedon. Matt Schwab, Miles Austin, Cool, insert Tavon Austin, Andre Ellington, Vincent Jackson. What teams we got in here? The 9, Patriots, Reggie Bush, Wes Welker, Christian Ponder, another Marshall. 3 packs left, guys. DeMarcus Ware, Gronkowski, Rakpo, Mentateo, Flacco. Pettigrew, D'Angelo, Ryan Matthews, Nantateo again, Frank Gore. Last pack of this product that I will never buy again. Maurice Jones-Drew, Tony Holmes, Darren McFadden, Terrence Williams, Sam Bradford. Cool. Congrats to the Vikings, Bengals, Colts, and 2 awesome patch cards for the Chargers. Awesome. Now to the good stuff. Good old Inception. Alright. First box. Dun dun dun. Can't remember how this is laid out. Have a Michael Crabtree numbered 53 out of 199. Colin Kaepernick, Matthew Stafford. God, no 49ers. DUI Smith, and a Kenny Stills patch. Another awesome patch. With the number in the corner. Kenny Stills, New Orleans Saints. Next one. Miami Dolphins. Mike Leslie. And the last one is Patriots. Got a little nice patch there. Numbered 56 out of 75. Aaron Dobson. Cool. Very good. Very good. Alright, last box. If I start lagging, I'll stop. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Final pack. And it starts off with another Michael Crabtree. And the numbered card is a bingo. Main Gresham 143 out of 199. And Eli Manning. Reggie Wayne numbered to 95. Vance McDonald autograph, 49ers. Congrats to the 49ers. Next one. Another 49ers. Number 38 out of 50. Clinton Patton. And the last card of the break is another bingo. Gianni Bernard, pretty plain patch. Numbered out of 50. So, congratulations to everybody. If your base, please let me know. All base will be sent to you. If you do not receive any hits, You'll be refunded $1.